Your stomach growls. Loud, embarrassing. And you just finished a huge meal. Everyone thinks it's hunger. It isn't. The sound isn't coming from emptiness. It's coming from motion. Your stomach and intestines are alive, constantly moving. Muscles contract. Food shifts. Air bubbles bounce around. The combination creates vibrations you can hear outside your body. It gets louder after you eat, not quieter. The more full your stomach is, the more the muscles squeeze. The liquids and gases inside slosh and collide. Each ripple amplifies into a growl. Then comes the twist. This isn't a flaw, it's a signal. Your digestive system is cleaning house, moving contents toward absorption. It's normal, it's healthy. Even the largest meals trigger these motions. And it happens rhythmically, like a hidden engine running inside you. High-speed medical imaging shows muscles pulsing in waves, liquids shifting, bubbles popping. Each audible growl is perfectly timed. So the next time your stomach roars after dinner, it isn't saying, "Feed me." It's saying, "I'm working." And here's the kicker. Your stomach growls more when you're full than when you're hungry. Not because it's empty, but because it's alive.